I tell people that you wanna put some real consistency into your family life as you're building your business. Anyone tells you differently, um, they're trying to give you some really bad advice because I've seen it go wrong.
Let's talk about wealth and legacy long term, right? Because you talked about the focus of the family and the business, and let's touch on some of those tips and some of that wisdom that you've been able to glean over the years as an entrepreneur, as a business person, as a real estate investor. What are some of the things that you'd share with some of the audience today?
Yeah, I mean, I wrote a whole book on it. I mean, I'm known for our company 18 Summers, which helps families, not get lost on the pursuit of wealth and entrepreneurship. And I'm the last person that's going to take away ambition. But I've seen a lot of people get lost along the way. Their balance sheet is huge, and their financial, their relational equity is bankrupt. And there's ways to avoid that. And I think that anyone who gives you the advice of, hey, and this used to be popular, Brett, put your head down for the next 5 to 10 years, get after it, get back to your family life. They'll understand. I mean, that was prevalent when I first went in, a naive young kid. But I'm seeing the people that gave me this advice, and then I got invited to some bigger events to get behind the curtain, and I didn't like what I was seeing. It terrified me because I'm like, I could be just like them, and I didn't want to be like that. So I tell people that you wanna put some real consistency into your family life as you're building your business. Anyone tells you differently, um, they're trying to give you some really bad advice because I've seen it go wrong. So I think that that you want to set certain rhythms into your family life. That's what my whole book's about. Same way we do in our businesses. Like, we're all proud of our EOS systems and our daily huddle and that. You put a few of those rhythms into your family life, you'll be shocked. I also encourage people. One of the most fun things, I have 5 kids ranging from 2 to 20, so I've been over the gamut. One of the coolest things I've been able to do is learn side by side with my children. If you are just handing off your children's education to a fancy institution or the government, look, I got nothing against that, but you're missing out on half the fun, half the connection, the things that you can bring in. And it's a great way to connect on a deeper level. So get involved with your kids' education, not necessarily the stuff you don't like, but I love going into financial intelligence and personal development with my kids, because not only do I know it's going to be something they're going to use and is important, but it brings us closer as well.